1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report, and most of them have no idea. These errors are not minor. They can drop your credit score by 50 to 100 points, cause you to be denied for a mortgage, a car loan, or even a job. The good news is this: you have a legal right to dispute and remove inaccurate items from your credit report, completely free of charge. In this video, I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to find errors, dispute them, and get them removed, using the law that protects you.
According to the Federal Trade Commission, 1 in 5 consumers, that is 20%, has at least one error on one of their 3 credit reports. 1 in 20 has an error serious enough to cause them to be denied credit or pay a significantly higher interest rate. The 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, each maintain a separate file on you. An error on one report may not appear on another. This means you need to check all 3. You are legally entitled to one free report from each bureau every 12 months at annualcreditreport.com, the only federally authorized site.
There are 4 main categories of errors to look for on your credit report. First, personal information errors: wrong name, address, date of birth, or social security number. These can cause someone else's negative data to appear on your file, a problem called a mixed file. Second, account errors: accounts that do not belong to you, accounts incorrectly listed as open when they are closed, wrong credit limits or balances, or duplicate accounts. Third, payment history errors: on-time payments incorrectly marked as late or missed, or derogatory marks that should have been removed. Fourth, outdated negative information. Most negative items must be removed after 7 years, bankruptcies after 10 years. If they are still on your report past these deadlines, they must be deleted.
Step 1. Get your free credit reports from all 3 bureaus. Go to annualcreditreport.com. This is the only site officially authorized by the federal government under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Do not use any other site. You can request all 3 reports, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, at the same time, or stagger them every 4 months to monitor year-round. Download or print each report. Go through every section carefully: personal information, accounts, payment history, hard inquiries, and public records. Highlight every item that looks incorrect, unfamiliar, or outdated. Keep a written record of every error you find, with the account name, account number, and what specifically is wrong. Step 2. Gather evidence before you file a single dispute. The strongest disputes include documentation. Collect the following for each error: bank statements showing on-time payments you believe were incorrectly reported as late, letters from creditors confirming an account was closed or paid, court documents if a bankruptcy or judgment has been discharged or resolved, identity documents if personal information is wrong. The more evidence you have, the harder it is for the bureau to ignore your dispute. Never send original documents. Always send photocopies. Keep the originals yourself.
Step 3. File your dispute directly with the credit bureau that has the error. You have 3 methods: online at each bureau's dispute portal, Equifax.com, Experian.com, or TransUnion.com, which is fastest; by mail, using a written dispute letter sent via certified mail with return receipt so you have proof of delivery; or by phone, though mail and online are preferable because they create a written record. Your dispute letter should include your full name and address, your date of birth, your social security number, the specific item you are disputing, a clear explanation of why it is wrong, and copies of supporting documents. The credit bureau is legally required under the Fair Credit Reporting Act to investigate your dispute within 30 days, or 45 days if you provide additional information during the process.
Step 4. Dispute directly with the original creditor at the same time. The credit bureau investigates by contacting the creditor who reported the information. But you can also contact the creditor yourself simultaneously. This creates a parallel dispute track and often speeds up resolution. Write a dispute letter to the creditor's customer service address, not the general billing address. Include the same documentation you sent to the bureau. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, if a furnisher, meaning the company that provided the information, receives notice of a dispute, They are legally required to investigate and correct any inaccurate information they find. If the creditor confirms the error on their end, they must notify all 3 bureaus to update the information. Step 5. Track your dispute carefully. After filing, you should receive acknowledgement within a few days. The bureau then has 30 days to complete its investigation. Keep a dispute tracking log with the date you filed, the method used, the confirmation number, and the expected resolution date. If the bureau cannot verify the disputed item within 30 days, they are legally required to remove it from your report. After the investigation is complete, the bureau must send you written results and a free copy of your updated credit report if the dispute resulted in any change. If the item is corrected or removed, your credit score may improve within 30 to 60 days as the updated information is processed.
If your dispute is rejected, meaning the bureau investigated and decided the item is accurate, you have several options. First, add a consumer statement to your credit report. You have the right to add a 100-word statement explaining your position. Future lenders will see this note. Second, file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau at consumerfinance.gov. The CFPB has authority to investigate complaints against credit bureaus and furnishers. Third, escalate with the Federal Trade Commission at ftc.gov. Fourth, consult a consumer protection attorney. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, if a credit bureau willfully or negligently fails to correct an error, you have the right to sue for actual damages, statutory damages up to $1,000 per violation, and attorney fees. Many attorneys take these cases on contingency, meaning you pay nothing unless you win.
Understanding this distinction is critical. You can legally dispute and remove items that are factually inaccurate, items that belong to someone else, items that are outdated and past the legal reporting window. You cannot remove accurate negative information just because you do not like it. Late payments that genuinely happened, collections that are legitimately yours, bankruptcies within the reporting window. These cannot be disputed away. Be very cautious of any company that claims they can remove accurate negative information from your report. That is credit repair fraud. The only legitimate way to improve a credit score with accurate negative information is time, consistent on-time payments, and reduced utilization. Here are the legitimate free tools you should use. annualcreditreport.com, your 3 free annual reports from all bureaus. Experian.com, Equifax.com, TransUnion.com, each bureau's free dispute portal. ConsumerFinance.gov, the CFPB complaint portal if bureaus fail to respond correctly. Credit Karma and Experian free tiers both give you ongoing free credit monitoring with alerts for any new changes to your report. MyFICO.com if you want to see your actual FICO score, which is the score most lenders use. Avoid any paid credit repair company. Everything they can legally do, you can do yourself for free.
Here is your action plan. Step 1. This week, go to annualcreditreport.com and download all 3 reports. Step 2. Read every line and highlight every error or unfamiliar item. Step 3. Gather evidence, bank statements, letters, payment records. Step 4. File disputes online with each bureau that has an error and simultaneously send a dispute letter to the original creditor. Step 5. Track your disputes. The bureau has 30 days to respond. Step 6. If rejected, escalate to the CFPB. Keep checking your score monthly using Credit Karma or Experian's free monitoring. One corrected error can add 50 to 100 points to your score. That can mean thousands of dollars in savings on your next loan. Links to all dispute portals and the CFPB are in the description below. Subscribe to Grow Your Wealth for daily money education.